Today on Huffler Garage, we're going to be tuning my Audi A4. We're going to use JH Motorsports. They're out in California, and they seem to have the best power. So I'm just going to show you my setup. We have a ProLogix 20 amp charger on power supply mode hooked up to the battery. I've also disconnected the fans since they draw the most current, and JH Motorsports recommends a 40 amp charger, and I'm running a 20 amp. I've also unplugged the fuse for the fuel pump, which is the third slot from the bottom left, and it's a 20 amp fuse. I've already pulled that. And I'm about to connect the OBD2 port and my computer, and we'll see how that goes. So right now it's programming. I'm on step 6. So I've selected stage 1, and then next page was I checked my I wanted 93 octane. So now it's being programmed. It should take about 15 to 30 minutes according to JH Motorsports, and hopefully it takes 15. It took about 9 minutes to download using hardlined at 400 megabytes a second, and it took about 9 minutes. So it says it's successful. Next step we have to do is turn off the key, unhook the flash cable, and then we're going to turn back to the run position for 1 minute before starting, and then start the vehicle, then disconnect the battery tender. So we're going to do that now and see what happens.